were you all this time? I was looking for you everywhere.
Oh, you silly boy. Where were you all this time?
Ooh.
Hi guys, today I'm going to make a snapper with paper origami. First, we need to get a paper. We need to fold it in half. Like this. Then we need to fold it in half again. Then we need to open the top. We need to turn it around, and then we need to get this side of the paper, and we need to fold it like this, like a quarter of it, onto the line, so that it's straight. And a bit of space is left. Do the same thing with the other side, like this. Then we need to get these two sides. First, we need to get this side and cover this end of this side. We need to do the same thing at the end, but we just need to fold it right over here, like this. Right, like this. Then we need to get this side. We need to fold this side onto here. Then we need to do the same thing at the end, like here, and do the same thing with the other side. There. Then we need to get the inside bit here, and then we need to like push it onto the other side, and you can see you made a kite shape, like a diamond. Then we need to get a pen. Or a pencil, and we need to draw a line over here, straight. And then we need to turn it around a bit, and we need to draw it over here as well. And do the same thing with the other side. And then connect it here as well. Yep. Then we need to draw the teeth right over here. So guys, I drew the teeth here, and then I just drew these lines over here. I did the same thing at the back. Then we need to get this side, they're both, and then we need to fold it on the top of the teeth side, on top of the diamond. Do the same thing over here, like this. And then we have this hole inside, and then we need to pull it like this. Yep. Now we have these two sides. Now we need to pull it like this. It's a type of a boat. So we get this side inside, and then we just go right inside here. Just fold the side. Yeah, we have a snapper. Now we need to draw the eyes over here, or just put the eyes inside. Now I just folded it back again. You need to get some eyes or something, or just draw eyes. Then we can just stick it on here, and then we need to just draw a nose over here. We do the same thing over here as well. Yeah. So guys, now I've stuck these googly eyes in. Now I'm just drawing the nose, like this, just a dot. And then over here. Cool. Now I need to open it again. We need to put this inside here and fold this part a bit. Then we just need to do this. Look, I've got my monster now. I'm hungry!